Hey Cassie, thank you so much for messaging in about dividend ETFs. ETFs are basically baskets of stocks, and dividend ETFs are baskets of dividend producing stocks. For example, the VYM that you mentioned above, it actually has 446 dividend producing companies in that ETF. Now, ETFs come in so many different shapes and sizes. So for example, you can have index ETFs, you can have dividend ETFs, you can have currency, commodity, and even thematic ETFs. There are three things I like to look at when I'm looking at ETFs. I like to look at the 1-year average total return, the 5-year average total return, and the distribution yield. Of the three that you mentioned above, the one with the highest distribution yield is actually VYM, and that comes in at 3.39%. Now, the SPY that I mentioned earlier, the S&P 500 Index ETF, has a distribution yield of only 1.73%. This is where the 1-year and the 5-year annual average return comes in. So when you are looking at these ETFs, yes, you may be getting a dividend distribution, but you may be missing out on average market returns. If you are interested in learning more about dividend ETFs, Forbes Advisor just put out their October 2022 best dividend ETFs. All you have to do is quickly Google Forbes dividend ETF.